RZLV has lost over 57% since the last time we covered it. That was early October. Then it was on a 3 day streak. It was on a 3 day winning streak. Yes. Little did we know that it was printing a pattern of lower lows. You can see that lower lows, and they've just continued to print lower lows. A short interest that used to be a talking point, no longer an issue, now around 6%. And then, as of then, it was the algos were actually expecting that maybe it could surpass this projection of 7.33. If it did it, it may have been able to retest its 52-week high of 7.72, but it didn't, and has just continued to decay since then. The extrapolation of its 3 day moving average is saying that a bounce is imminent, or rather, the bounce it has had now, this bounce it had today, it is up 5.618%. This is Tuesday, the 18th of October. So the algos are saying that this bounce it may sustain it going all the way towards the 4th of December, but it wouldn't be able to go beyond its 40-day moving average. So in other words, the 40-day moving averages may serve as a staunch resistance. It may serve as a primary supply line, meaning that if it closes within one standard deviation of that moving average from the 4th of December, it will continue to print lower prices, and it is based on that theory. It is being reiterated that extrapolation, or rather that assumption or that theory, that it's going to serve as a primary supply line. That is the 40-day moving average is reiterated for many days, for many sessions. Yeah, you can see that we have here from the 4th of December up till the 16th of December. So, well, what are the odds of that happening? Not very high, not very high. We're talking about an extrapolation that is going all the way towards so many days ahead. A lot can happen between now and then. You know, but in any case, projections are currently saying 1.51 is a downward projection, 2.40 equally a downward projection, 3.83 an upward projection. Momentum, yes, is expected to begin to build up. It's picking up right now, and expected to go into high gear from the 25th of November next week, exactly 1 week from today, maybe peak by Tuesday the 2nd, just before it begins to face some resistance from its 40-day moving average. Okay, so it is also expected to cross above its 10-day moving average by tomorrow. What are the odds of that happening by tomorrow or the day after? What are the odds of those happening? Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look at its 4-hour chart. On its 4-hour chart, the algos are saying something totally different. It's saying that it may begin to roll over from tomorrow, from the pre-market session of tomorrow, and they have just begin. Yeah, it's the downtrend is expected to remain in place or begin or resume. Oh yeah, yes, just is expected to remain in place. Yeah, the 40-day moving average. Okay, I would say maybe, or rather, I would say the 21 period moving average has been serving as a primary supply line. It seems that might happen again today. The last time it happened was sometime on the 10th of November, exactly about a week ago, thereabouts. So it might happen again today. On this 4-hour chart, projections are saying to the upside 3.17, 3.38, 3.51. Downward projections go as low as 0.673 or 1.0, 1.03, 1.60. Okay. Yeah, momentum is expected to begin to consolidate, and then maybe might begin to pick up from the 24th of November, when it might try to challenge the 40 period moving average, but it's saying that it wouldn't be able to do so. Okay, so as of the 5th of November, the company indicated that it's accelerating its US expansion and announced the appointment of former Microsoft executive to lead the sale rollout. Okay, So yeah, let's see now. Let's see how it's going on the stock. Gain is now 6.3%. Okay, yeah, it's now well, so far so good. The market has we have about 2.5 hours before the session ends. What are the odds that it's going to trade up to its 50-day average of 21.7 million shares? Okay, volatility is expected to um, increase in the coming sessions. Okay, so let's see now. Remember that the algos here are saying that no, nothing like a reversal of the downtrend is imminent. As a result of that, market participants, some option strategists may be looking at these November 21 call series, November 21 option series, and they might be considering things to do with it, going by the extrapolation that it's not expected to advance or reverse its downtrend. Okay, yeah, let's see now how they are trading the stock as things stand right now. 2.93. It doesn't look okay. Yeah, quite active as well. Quite active. There's an interest in discovering prices. It seems, yes. Liquidity is there. Yeah, aggression surely there, but price discovery is happening. Surely it is happening. Yeah. Okay, so the stock is not trending, but we just needed to get you updated on what's going on with the stock right now. So have a look and see what you make of RZLV. And thank you very much for watching this video.